What is CHROME Replica? CHROME Replica is one of the many packages that we offer in the CHROME Guided Smile family of products. The day of surgery goes as normal, but when it's time to restore the case, what you'll do is you'll send us the RAPID appliances or appliance, single arch, with a bite and a posing, the case is equilibrated, a wash impression. You'll send this, and what we'll return is 2 milled long-term prosthetics the patient can wear for 2 years, 3 years, depending on their wear and tear. But they come at a lower price, so it's more affordable for the patient. Now you can either send us the RAPID appliances, or you can send us the appliances that the patient's been wearing. The bite's kind of refined, and let the patient wear the RAPIDs. But the idea is you go directly from RAPID at restorative to 2 long-term provisionals in a prepaid package that's more affordable for the patient, takes less chair time and cost for you.